How to download and use DeepSeek AI on mobile devices. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. DeepSeek AI is a multilingual, code-savvy large language model similar to ChatGPT and Gemini. It offers advanced AI capabilities for writing, coding, summarizing, and more. So all you have to do is open the App Store on your iPhone and Google Play Store on your Android. Then simply tap on the search address bar and search for the DeepSeek AI. Then from the list, you'll get to see DeepSeek AI option available there. Simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can see get or install option available there. Tap on it and you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or Face ID might be prompted. Then all you have to do is install it on your device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.